Today we are going to review the Range Rover Velar dynamic R light. As you can see, it gets all LED light with a big grille. Land Rover badge over here. Get the strut here, right? Just for the dynamics. Same here. It also gets a headlight washer, as expected the price point. And now coming to the side profile of the car, it gets R20 inch wheel of 255 section of tire from Scorpion Zero. Same is the case with the rear profile of the tire, R20 inch. And this is how the side profile of the car looks. And press this, you can see the door automatically. Now you can see after locking, the door comes inside, I mean the door lock, and this is how it gets closed. Same with the case with all the doors, and when you press it again, it automatically comes out. Same is the case. And as you can see, the car has this sportier appeal for the side, for the fuel pump on the side, on the right hand side. This is how the car looks from the rear. You get all the parking sensors as expected with the camera and lane watcher departing and all, lane watcher departure warning and all. And this is how car looks. It gets a boot capacity of 247 liter, which can be extended further by reclining the rear seat of the car. And it gets automatic door light. It also gets the light here, and from here we can auto close it. Talking about the ground clearance of the car, it is about 214 millimeter. As you can see, the exhaust is escape inside. It's on the back of the car. It is not visible at all. This is how the car designed it. Finally, ending with the video. This is how the Range Rover Velar dynamic R line looks. I would say definitely a great choice if your budget is around 1 crore and all. And also it is a great competitor of Volvo XC90 and Jaguar FE piece. So thank you. Signing off. Jai Hind.